Scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. I really need to tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut deep. Don't you understand that you're bringing me down till I'm stuck on the ground? I need to turn on the noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, can't this be different? Or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. I really need to, and I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. I've let you cross me, my mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. I really need to tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut deep. Don't you understand that you're bringing me down till I'm stuck on the ground? I need to turn on the noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, can't this be different? Or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. I really need to, and I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me.
if you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC versus PH. We'll run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind.
Hello guys, good evening everyone. Yes, okay, test mic. Test mic, alright. Dapat pala pinapalitan ko na to ng link batch kasi link batch na next eh. Anyway, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in for tonight's live trading. Pagtingin ko sa pagbukas ko ng computer ko, sabi ko, what the hell is happening? All the crypto are really nag-correction ng todo. Halos nagbagsakan at least 5% ang lahat. pero sinalo ka agad sa mga support. So what's happening? I'm not yet aware what's happening. The last time I've read the news, it's about China that they're not gonna ban crypto. Suddenly, parang nagkaroon ng sell on news, di ba? So something to do with, I don't know. Let's check the market together na lang as we go with the market tonight. All right. Again, good evening. My name is John, and I'm your host for tonight for live trading natin here on the WIPH, Wise Investors PH. Every MWF, kahapon magkakasama tayo with Sir Lloyd regarding Izanagi and even Shadow Technique. How can we manually sabayan natin yung robot as the robot drawdowns, no? Mas malaking income ang possible nating kitain when using the shadow technique. So, pwede natin ulitin yan later. Tingnan natin yan later if you wanted to. Ano. But before we go there, of course, I would like to say good evening again. Please share this page. Okay? Please play this page. Please share this live. Baka mamaya yung mga kaibigan dyan may gustong bilhin na mga stocks. At least on this, makita natin yung validation technically or possible, pwede natin makita statistically. And we can even check their financial statements fundamentally if the company is really for long-term, short-term trading, or even in mid-term holding. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. Good evening there to everyone. Garcia from Pinman University, Pangasinan. No? May mga taga Pinman University. Ano ibig sabihin nito? No? Yung ano na yan, no? Good evening there from YouTube. Thank you so much for tuning in, Doc Ivan and Chickmom28. Hi from Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, definitely. All right, let's check the market together. Diretso tayo sa XPX Advantage just like we used to do. We need to check first what's happening in the market. Look at that, no? XPX 500 is on the verge of breakout. Breakout in a sense that is the volume of the market is increasing. Partially yes, but definitely price action wise it is. Okay, gaining momentum. Kung titindin natin on this level here, the market is really attracting new investors to come in, no? Possible preparing for the two things. Possible preparing for the Santa Claus rally, preparing for the reopening of the market, increasing of a lot of things that is good news in the economy. So nagkakaroon na ng price in yung mga investments na yon, no? So on usually on by seasonality, October is really the start where the market bounces from August and September. Yeah, that's one thing. And we can actually see it from the chart that the market, honestly, parang nagpakita dito ng uh, cap pattern. Okay? Pwede rin ditong triple bottom pattern. So, ang dami pinapakita ni market on a breakout. That's why our crucial price action here is this breakout must hold for 4,548 level. Eh, tingnan natin if it's gonna hold or it's gonna go sideways in the next few days, in the next few months. We can check on the weekly time frame as well. So, very clear breakout within this week ang ni market, okay? Ang hindi ko lang gusto sa itsura niya, it's forming a bearish divergence. Yan ang hindi ko gusto sa itsura niya. It's forming a bearish divergence. By the way, would like to ask everyone lang din kung may background music pa ako para din sa ano, no? May background music ba tayo dyan on your screen, on your speaker or earphone nyo? It's forming a bearish divergence like this, no? Itong bearish divergence na yan before. Baka ganito. So, magkaroon ng possible isang buong... Okay, meron. Good. Thank you. Okay, so nakikita ko parang may bearish divergence. So, sabi ko nga nung Monday, I'm expecting the market will actually, this week, will actually like go on the correction starting Thursday and Friday. I'm really expecting that one. So, this breakout, as long as this is holding and then the weekly chart will not close below this level, I'm anticipating a rally November to December onwards. But if the market will play below this area here, we can expect the market to really just go sideways and hold on this position on a weekly basis. So, tingnan natin dito how the market will react in the next few days. No one can predict the market. We can only anticipate or react where the market is going. So, there you go. That's our SPX 500. Let's check at the tech stocks or the index of the technology stocks. So far, on the technology stocks area, bakit naghalo ang OVB ko plus ang aking RSI divergence? Anyway, sabayan mo na siya. Nakikita ko naman. Well, anyway, on this perspective, the US stocks on the perspective of technology really made a breakout yesterday. Pero during the last 4 hours, so during the last 4 hours of the trading yesterday, nagkaroon ng resistance talaga on this level. So definitely, dapat talaga hindi ako namili. Kinati talaga ako kahapon. Nag-TP na ako eh. Binili ko ng iba ulit. Nakakita kasi ako mga entry sa gitna. Or yung pa-start pa lang paangal, kaka-start pa lang reversal. Pag breakout, biglang pag closing, pagtingin ko, ang ganda na ng price action nito bago ako natulog ah. Pagtingin ko bago na pre-market, parang, oh no. Alright, but anyway, good thing about it is it's still holding a very, very good price action on this level, starting with supporting on the momentum indicator, which is our EMA5. That's one thing that we need to check. Very, very good pa din ang ginagawa niya. But of course, kung titindi natin on this level, I can see some bearish divergence as well. Yun lang yung sad part doon. I can see some bearish divergence. Wala. Sa SPX 500 lang. Yeah, wala. Okay. That's good. Okay, good thing about it is nakakita tayo ng V recovery din. Very, very fast V recovery. Coming from a double bottom from this area here. Good thing din yan. Very, very fast ang market. Maybe I will PP a lot if this area will break down. As long as this is holding on the current perspective, maybe I'm gonna be aggressively buy and hold position. So titingnan ko yan. Tingnan natin ang sentiment yan, especially if the market will react here, bounce here, then break down on this level. Itong area na to, benta talaga ako dyan massively. Okay, massively. Para to protect the gains, to protect whatever meron ako din, mga gains man lang, no? Para makabili ako instead sa mga ilalim na areas. And if we're going back to the weekly chart of the expectation value, it's 9:12 in the evening. If I'm gonna remove all the drawings there, no? Consistently, the tech stocks usually retest always the EMA 20. So usually it did actually try to break down last 4 weeks, but it did break out afterwards, on this area here. And since after pandemic, we haven't touched the MA50 yet, which is a very, very strong support. That's why it's either January, March, or April ang tinitingnan ko pupunta rito. Or if it's not, possible this year tingnan natin. Because usually based on statistics kasi on the third year after a pandemic or on the third year or on a second year, talaga nagkakaroon ng at least 5% correction or more yung market. So titingnan natin how is it gonna be. But so far, the trend is intact on the upper direction. Yun yung good thing ng market yan. So, especially on this seasonality, napakagandang bumili ng mga stocks during the drawdown, which is August and July. I'm prepared for this one. Yun yung good thing if you're part of the masterclass on your screen and if you're part of even the elite club, nakabili ka sa ilalim. Yun yung advantage ng being part of the elite club because naturuan ka based on statistics, naturuan ka based on the sentiment, naturuan ka what's happening in the economy, not just a technical perspective. Yun yung maganda doon. Okay, the good thing about it for tonight, my sentiment for tonight is I'm gonna be moderately taking profit just to be sure because both markets are already toppish. One is showing bearish divergence, another one is hitting the resistance on a weekly basis. So, baka magkaroon ng isang correction yun the whole week kasi next week or even Thursday, Friday, magkaroon niya ng correction. Kasi usually, based on statistics as well, September and October will be only a flat growth. When talking about in the past 20 years, in the past 50 years, medyo flat growth, hindi masyadong malaki yung jump. And then, before mag-rally ng November, December. So, itong rally na to, possible pa yan magkaroon ng correction ulit, bago ulit sumipa ng matindi ng November and December. So, medyo sentiment ko ngayon to follow that statistics and at the same time to balance it by taking profit or conservatively buying, not too aggressive. Especially what we call the halving period or the 3-week span period. So a 3-week span period, which is supposedly yesterday, Monday to Thursday and Friday. So I'm expecting medyo talagang kakaroon ng pause yung market as we go along. All right, let's check it. Let's check at my port before we go to the stock. Look at that. For today, I'm down by 5% just today because of that pullback. Majority of crypto, yung talagang binagsak for today. Yeah, expected, okay lang. Tingnan natin. Sila lahat crypto eh. Titingnan ko yung watchlist ko, nagbagsakan talaga yung mga crypto. So titingnan natin dito ang crypto. Okay, I'm also using GoTrade, but this one kasi wala naman siyang desktop, so let's use eToro. Okay, tingnan natin Bitcoin Cash bumagsak from the crypto market. Let's check it by one. Shiba Inu is really doing momentum. Hindi ako naka-entry ng EMA5. Sayang talaga. Na-TP ko siya on my perspective pero sinalo ng EMA5 then binirake out. Nag-half ako tapos sinell all ko mali. Anyway, so as expected, Cardano is really laggard and XRP ang laki ng binagsak, 'di ba? I'm trying to give you a perspective of the momentum ng trend, no? Medyo flat si Cardano at si XRP. So later check natin anong nangyari na 'yon. So because in the past few weeks, ang gusto ko i-prioritize yung bilhin is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Litecoin, and Shiba Inu. Yun yung mga tinignan natin, no? Sabi ko sa kanya, iwas muna tayo ng Cardano, XRP, kasi pangit yung trend so far. Kaya ako din, nagtalpak ako. Ito yan, talpakan ko yan. Ethereum, konti lang yung Cardano ko, no? Mas marami, Binance ko madami, and even my Bitcoin. So malaki yung ano ko dyan, investment. Yung XRP ko, maliit lang. Okay? Bitcoin Cash, kabibili ko lang. So definitely, tingnan natin as we start tonight. Okay, perspective natin here. Tingnan natin. Okay, look at that. So after hitting my resistance, my supply zone at this area here, it's trying to build. Oy, guys, honestly, if magkaroon to ng green candle tomorrow, this can be a test buy. Okay, kung magkaroon ng green candle tomorrow, why? We are already at the nearest demand zone. Nasa nearest demand zone tayo. Don't be unfazed, like sabi na, don't be unfazed on this drawdown here, but definitely make most of that, no? Definitely tingnan natin na I'm still bullish on the long term. Maganda pa rin yung angle degree niya. Maybe to pag nagkaroon to ng green candle, mas maganda magdagdag. Tinamaan lang kasi itong supply zone na to, kita nito tinamaan, no? So hanggang blue line, itong 59 area is holding. Okay yan. Kasi ang initial target ng mga analysts dito, 70,000. 70,000 ang target nila. So, baka may mga nag-sell on strength along the way just to respect this resistance supply zone. Definitely, tingnan natin ano mangyayari dyan. So, kung magkaroon ng green candle, pwede talaga mag-test buy. Pwedeng magdagdag if you have a good base. Pag bumigay yan, I'm anticipating to buy again on the EMA50 there. And with a confirmation of the technical indicator. So, tingnan natin dyan kung ano mangyayari dyan. So, that's one. Let's prioritize it according to my preference. Tapos tingnan natin yung gusto nyo after. Ethereum is my second priority. And then Binance, then Shiba Inu afterwards. So, same with Ethereum. Look at that. It actually hit my supply zone there. I'm anticipating it. Dapat kaya dito pala, nagbenta na ako. I want this to really do just like this. Okay, gusto kong mangyari dito kasi sabi ko nga pag nag-breakout yan, I'm anticipating a 54% upside. Kaya hindi niya basta-basta pwedeng butasin yan to go there. Kailangan kasi yan mag-build ang another base just like it did here, no? So on a larger perspective, this is a very, very good angle when it comes to technical indicators because this is a cup and handle. Definitely, kung ma-break niya to, kayang-kaya niya yon. So, para itulak niya pataas doon, syempre, kailangan siya mag-ipon dito sa area to or even here, sa demand zone here. So, that's why for now, observe muna tayo. For now, sellers are increasing in volume. But definitely, buy pa rin ako dito eh. Ang ganda ng ginagawa niya because the angle is very very healthy. The base is very healthy. The base is here is very healthy. So that's why it's really healthy, no? This is a healthy correction. That's why risk management hindi ka talaga nag-all in para to begin with, no? To begin with. Let's go to my second priority para makita nyo bakit ko siya pina-prioritize compared to the other. I don't care about fundamentals nila kasi wala naman akong alam sa crypto din eh. Hindi ko pa naaral yan eh. But definitely, because where the money is going, I'm there. Technically, I'm providing it lang. So as expected as well, wow, ano nangyari dito? Ano to? Parang glitch? Ano yan? Glitch ba yan? Natin dito. Okay, Binance. Alright. Alright. Hindi pa lang siya ganun kalaki. Okay, after the reverse head and shoulder there, retesting the EMA50 there, at the supply zone area yan, kaya nagkaroon ng bounce. This area, kailangan mag-hold on the next few weeks because for me, honestly, mahina tong resistance na to eh. Mahina tong resistance na to. Kaya it's showing the way it is right now. But definitely, I'm still bullish kung titingnan din natin, no? Compared to the past buyers on this area here. Look at the sellers. Ang liit lang, oh. So, possible a shakeout. Tingnan natin kung mag-i-increase yan as this price holds. Compared to how is it buying, everyone is buying from this area here. So, mahinang resistance for me. Hindi ganun ka-significant. Compare mo dito. Compare mo sa mga area na to. Yan, no? So, I'm still very bullish. This is still a cup and handle pattern plus inverse head and shoulder. This is still very very healthy when it comes to the volatilities. Siguro because of the market cap kaya siya ganun. Yeah, let's go to that. Okay, let's check XRP. And by the way, the reason why we're inuuna natin ang crypto kasi 9 to 9:30 crypto muna tayo, then diretso tayo ng stock market kasi masarap na mag-chart na pag gumagalaw na yung merkado. Okay, expecting as well supply zone resistance here. That's why tingnan mo how I analyze things or no? Sobrang sideways. I mean, sobrang sideways yung ginagawa ni XRP. Yes, it's utilities. Okay. I don't know about fundamentals ng mga crypto ha. So if you're gonna relate it to the stock market, utility sector, nakikita mo ba nagra-rally? Nakuha mo yung point ko. Very, very, sila eh. Very, very healthy move. No, may healthy move sila pero sideways lang. So, in terms of how is it going to be like a trending compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum, expect it like sideways lang. So, that's why kung tingnan mo dito, nilagyan ko na resistance yan. The next buy point will be here. Kaya, XRP is good fundamentally kung sabi nilang utilities to. Kung i-consider na lang utilities to, I will consider it utilities as well. Like papakita ko na sa inyo later. Ko-compare natin, balikan niyo ako on the sa sectors ng US market. So that's why kaya hindi ko masyadong binomba to for that specific reason. Kasi talaga sabi ko, pangit ang galaw tapos price action wise, then medyo sideways lang. So I'll treat it sideways din. But of course, ite-trade ko siya sa sideways as well and invest on it sideways. So, TP, bawas, bili, bawas, bili. So, something like that, no? And ADA, least priority ko din based on the top market cap before we go to the chat box. Same concept. Same concept. After a period of rally because of the fundamentals of the Japan, good news on this and that, medyo natapos yung phase niya ng rally. Nauna na siya month before those current two, Ethereum and Binance coin. Then nag-slow down on this area. Hindi ko sabi ko, okay, there's a moving average quiz here. Medyo mabagal. I will take least priority to trade this one. So doon ako sa mga nagra-rally. Doon mas prioritize ko. But definitely ngayon, tumama siya sa isang napakalakas na supply zone. I'm expecting it to be green. Maybe even up to the weekends hanggang inuhold niya tong area na to. So, nagkakaroon ng tumama ng mga supply zone. Ayan, supply zone and nagkakaroon ng mga buy point when it's reached here. So, maganda dyan, if you have money and if you're really purely crypto, better talaga naka-buy set order ka sa mga mga supply zone, mga demand zone nila ng mga lalakas. Kasi yung mga volatility spike na ganyan, at least masalo mo sa ilalim. So, if you know that strategy, better. Alright, let's go back to Shiba Inu. I already TP my Shiba Inu. This is my TP area. Nagbawas ako. If nagpinost ko pa to, sabi ko, di masama magbawas. Sakto naman yung TP ko, hindi lang ako nakabalik. No, hindi lang ako nakabalik. Bumagsak siya na at least 20%. Na-TP ko dito sa taas. Tinipi ko rin ulit dito yung pangalawa. Hindi ko na ako nakabalik dito. Hindi ko na natutukan. So, sayang yung opportunity, but kaya pa rin naman to pag nag-pull back ulit. So, abangan lang natin, but definitely, wag nyo na itong habulin. Wag nyo na itong habulin. This is very high already. Though may breakout na area dito, I will still consider this a demand zone here on the fastest demand zone. Tingnan natin how is it gonna be, how is it gonna form the trend as it go along. So, this is my initial TP. Let's check natin ang next TP nito if you're holding this one. Ayan, natamaan na naman yung TP ko isa. So, major. So, kung meron ka niyan, better niyan. Bawas-bawas na. Malapit na. Ilang percent na lang yan. 4%. So, I won't be greedy about it. This is very, what we call parabolic move. So, mga momentum traders na yan, magkaroon yan ng isang fast selling, susunod-sunod na yan. So, sa mga parabolic move, mas gusto ko ng anticipation TP than reactive. Kasi reactive, katulad dito, magre-reactive TP ka, babagsakan ka ng 20%. Laking bagay yon, no? Laking bagay yung 20% na yon. Kung kaya mo naman bumalik, better. So, yeah, especially mga ganyan. Anyway, let's go to the chat box. Alright, thank you. Good evening to all wise investors and Musta Crypto. Yan, Musta Crypto. Okay, Raymark nagtalon, check Natgas. Good evening, Sir Nan, and all Vice President BH. ETC LLY, Fang Tots po. Okay, Fang, let's go. Saitama Hooser. Alright. Sige, let's check that one later. Let's go to ETC, Ethereum Classic. Hindi ko rin alam ang fundamentals ito, but definitely, I don't like the trend as well. Okay? Medyo distribution mode. Ang tingin ko, tama ganito, distribution mode na may konting accumulation. Kasi possible yung mga nakabili dito, nag-distribute, hindi pa sila tapos sa itsura niya. Okay? But, tingnan natin kung asan mangyayari dito. Ayun, may fake move na ganyan. Ang pangit, no? So, anyway. So, wala muna tayong gagawin. Pahintay mo natin yung volatility to finish. Then, sayang kung nakabili ka dito. Ilang percent to? 12%. Baka dead cut bounce kasi. Kaya I don't want you to buy even that support. So, don't do that. Don't do that to buy on that area. Let's check. I'm gonna check as well my Forex nga. Because my positions are still open at Forex. Dami ko din ako makatrade din kasi. The best. Alright, on the screen. Watching from Taiwan, thank you so much. Watching from Taiwan there. Mokong tong si GPB, NCD, LWLY. Alright, let's check. Ano ba man? Na-miss out pa ba ako? Litecoin. Mga binili ko in recently. LTC, USD. This also, tinamahan din siya. But good thing, buhay pa naman yung trend. Nandun pa naman siya. Kailangan mag-close nito ng lang ni LTC within the day above this area. Kung hindi, kakatlos ko siguro to. Pag hindi niya i-close dito, kailangan niya i-close dyan. So, pag hindi niya i-close dyan, bye-bye. Hintayin kita dito ulit. So far, hold muna tayo. Pa-start na kasi yung trend ito, kaya nagustuhan ko to eh. Lakas naman ng momentum niya. Tingnan natin. Tomorrow, magkaroon to ng follow-up red candle. Cut loss yung position ko dyan. Meron ako nito eh. Meron akong Litecoin here. I have this. So, meron akong 100. Konti lang pala laman nito. No? Weird. Dalawa lang position ko. Nangyari dyan. Dalawa lang pala. Okay. Definitely. It's 9:29 in the evening. Alright. We're done at the crypto market. Let's go to the stock market directly. Yung mga sumabay with CrowdStrike, I hope naka-TP na kayo because tinamaan na yung TP area natin on the 5% natin ito from momentum trade. Pwede pa naman i-hold yan. Nasa volatility area pa naman tayo ng momentum niya so far. But tinamaan yung TP natin. Check natin yan. Ano pa ba yung mga check natin in the past? Let's check at LLY. Ito. LLY. Alright, LI Lily. Yeah, pwede. This is still a hold period pa din. Medyo hold pa rin naman. May ginagawa pa naman. Okay pa naman trend niya. Huwag ka lang mag-expect na mabilis. Kasi, first of all, masyado malaki yung market cap. So, okay pa naman trend niya. Hindi pa naman siya, I don't see any weakness. I don't see as well any, like, hindi, in terms of bibili ka pa lang, hindi rin siya ngayon kung magdadagdag. Alright, let's check at FANG. Okay, FANG na abbreviation o FANG na company? FANG na abbreviation o FANG na company? FB yun ba yun? Like ito? Like FB, Amazon, yung ba yung gusto mo? Dami naman yun. Kung FANG. Okay? MSFT gap up to 2%. Ayan. Okay, definitely. Okay. Congratulations sa bumili ng MSFT. Let me just give you one reason to join Elite Club. Okay? Ang gap up MST, ang ganda rin ha. Huwag nyo nakabulin to. Gap up are not good, especially for blue chip stocks. Babalikan na rin yung gap. Pero if you're part of the Elite Club, nakabili ka nyan to yesterday. Sayang. No? Let me check this one. Oh, right. There you go. Alright, so if you're part of the Elite Club, alright, sinabi ko yan kagabi, 23 hours ago, buy at 311 because of these reasons here. Okay, so if you want to check wiseinvestorsph.com, you can check our Elite Club. You can check fundamentally plus a test by, like this one. May mga US market, may stock Forex, and we have a team for you to analyze that one. So, yeah, ganyan mo. Okay, ito na. Ito na yung reason yan. Okay, ito na rason yan. Microsoft buy 23 hours ago, yesterday. After ng live natin, pinabili natin si Microsoft. Yan ang isang rason. Look at Microsoft right now. Tinamaan na kagad ang TP1 namin. Almost natamaan na TP1 namin kay Microsoft. Congratulations for those who bought yesterday at 311 level. Good job, Elite Club, Pips. Okay. FB. Yun yung parang kay Natgas kanina. Ano natin itong Natgas? Natgas, tingin ko dito going sideways to. Huwag mo habulin. Hindi siya nagmo-momentum. Medyo on the sideways ang dating. So, abangan mo ulit siya dito on this area here on an EMA 20 bounce or even a price action that can give you. Then, pwede. Possible to i-trade. Huwag nang habulin. Huwag mo rin i-short. Kasi commodity ngayon, napakalakas. Kung i-short mo yan, you're going against the trend. Super. Okay? Kahit i-zoom out mo yan. So, don't short this one. Better, abangan mo ang right opportunity to buy. Okay. Alright. FANG. Okay. Apple. Okay. Julian Yu. Apple. Sige, check natin. Ang dami kasi yung FANG. Facebook, Amazon, Apple, ano ba yan? Netflix, Google. So, dami niyan. Parang in-abbreviate mo lang lahat. Okay? Meron pa nga yan, MAGAF. May iba pa yan. May isang term pa yan, MAGAF. Okay? Alright, Apple. Naging Apple austerity pa to. Apple. Alright, Apple Inc., AAPL. For me, Apple is still a supply zone. Medyo bearish ako kay Apple kay ngayon. Currently, medyo hindi maganda tingin ko kay Apple. Unless it will trade above 150. Okay? Hindi siya right opportunity to buy. If you notice, this is still a both high and a resistance. Alright? A buy for me initially in this area. Okay? In this area. And in this area here. Yan ang mga buy points ko dyan. Unless it will trade above 150 level, okay, sample, umangat yan, tapos nag-support dito, tapos paangat, yan, bilhin natin tayo doon. Pero ngayon, observe. Okay, wag natin ipilit. Pag nating ipilit, there are 3,000 or 4,000 stock in the US alone. So, madami dyan na pwede nating tingnan. For Tesla, another gold mine. Okay, wag nyo na itong ipilit. Tinamaan na ang TP target natin sa Elite Group. Okay, may buy the rumor, sell on news. So, napus na yung news, TP-TP na tayo dyan. Okay, look at that. That is the distribution period na yan. Okay, kung gusto mong sumalo, set order ka dito. Or dito, set order ka dyan. Salo ka lang, bounce trade. Yan, 940, 947, or dito. Mag-abang ka na dyan, bounce, then TP ka dito sa mga area na yan. Ngayon, observe, kasi TP point. Buy the rumor, sell on news. Bakit? Let me show you again. Okay, close ko yan sa Elite Group. Sa Elite Group ko. Ayan, sa Elite Group natin. So, let me just check. Buy the rumor, sell on news. Okay, they're actually trying to catch up with the sales, especially when it comes to this tawag dyan, delivery push na tinatawag ni Elon Musk. And they did with a very, very good na earnings report. No? Syempre, if maganda yung delivery push, maganda rin yung earnings report. No? That's why last September 28, I already recommended to buy at 779. And where is that? Where is that 779? At this level. 779 here. So, tingnan mo yung TP point namin. Tinamaan na yung TP3 ko. More than that pa nga, TP4 almost. 1128. Wala pa. So, meaning every TP kasi sa amin sa Elite Group, bawas-bawas na yan. So, if you're not still part of the Elite Club, there you go, the evidence. Okay? Ayan. Elite Club is the way to go. Ayan. Natuto ka na, kumita ka pa. Ulit na. On the chat box. Natuto ka na, kumita ka pa. Okay, let's go. Next tayo, watching from Singapore. Thank you so much for watching. Rich, Tesla, TP-TP na tayo dyan. CTLT. Guys, may nabasa ako eh. Bibili pa ba ako ng Tesla? Bago siya. May Tesla na ako, bibili pa ba ako? Bili lang ng bili. Tapos average down ka ng average down. Okay. Sige. Pause tayo ng konti. Okay. Pag sinabi mong bili ka ng bili, average ka ng average down. Kung average ka ng average down, dito ka mga bumibili. Good luck. Diba? Average mo yan, dito lang. Dito pa din. Okay? Average down ka eh. Remember, yung pera mo limited. Choices mo madami. Option mo madami. Okay? Kung you're not gonna be smart and wise and buying them on the right technical, on the right fundamental, not just the company, not just identifying what company to buy, you're definitely buying it blindly. Okay? Why is it Warren Buffett? Why is it sino ba yung mga sikat na yun? Like Peter Lynch, look at the fundamentals, no, as they average down. Kasi they're showing things na dapat ibibiling ko to on a specific price. Hindi sila technical by the chart, but by the price value, hindi sila average down lang. Remember, fundamentally, Tesla, it's 70% premium, 50% premium on the original price. So meaning, are you willing to buy double the price? Or you're putting too much just averaging down on Tesla? Or why not buy them on their lowest price and hold them? So while you're waiting for that price level, hanap ka ulit ng mga mabababa na magandang kumpanya. So I think if you're gonna ask what good company to buy knowledge. Invest in knowledge. When? Where? Sa sarili mo. No? Sa sarili mo. Hindi invest ka. If you're gonna just invest in the long term, tapos average down ka, unabot ng milyon, tapos remember, no, the larger money you put in your investment, the larger average down, the volatility na bumagsak yan, hindi ka aware, hindi mo alam anong gagawin. can trigger a lot of anxiety on you. Unless nakita mo siyang bumagsak pero alam mong expected mo siya based on the current conditions of the market, sentiments of the market. Iba yon, iba yon. Pero pinag-uusapan natin dyan is your investment, your future. Average down, blindly, for me, is still gambling. No? Or, kasi binibili mo siya sa tuk-tuk. Diba? Sayang yung opportunity cost. Yung tawag natin. Okay, let's check natin. Balik tayo sa chat box. Miratoni, LNC, Bank. Okay, there you go. It's still bullish on my perspective. After the breakout here, try to retest again the trend line or even the price action on this area. I have this one. Okay, live feature. I have this one, but I'm willing to hold unless 73 area is gonna hold. Okay. Again, magte-take profit tayo pala. Kailangan ko rin pala mag-take profit. Check ko lang yung mga kailangan ko i-take profit dito. I think, since buying na to, bukas pa talaga ang mga take profit. Parang ayoko nang antayin eh. ADSK. Okay pa naman to eh. Ganda pa naman eh. Kaya parang, check natin dito. Di pa naman tinatamaan. May ano pa naman. So, good pa siya. Okay pa naman so far. Nag-green na ako dito eh. Binagsak lang. Anyway. Parang mga crypto talaga pero wala. Hold tayo dito. Wala tayong magagawa. Wala pala akong magagawa dito guys. Hold pala ako. Ayan, FTNT. Crypto kaya bawas kaya ako. Parang di rin eh. Aggressive kasi. So, tingnan natin. Okay. FTNT, if magkakita ka ng green candle tomorrow, buy. Okay. Testing the demand zone yan or the breakout point. Anticipation, huwag. Hindi siya maganda yung pag-anticipate niya. Malaki masyado yung selling. So kung magkaroon yun ng green candle tomorrow, buy. If you want it, if you're a fan of the company, if you're a fan of the company, price action lang. F-sell after the breakout here, we're trying to retest the area here. Near the resistance, rejection. Ano muna tayo dito? Observe muna tayo dito. Tingnan natin how is it gonna form. Though mayroon MA50 dito. Let's check natin muna kung tatawirin niya to. Kung magkaroon ng continuation pattern. Mga ganitong perspective kasi I'd rather be late than sure na fully uptrend na siya than anticipating it then pagsisihan. Why? Because the long-term perspective is rejecting. So, for now, baka mangyari kasi dito, two things, magbumalik siya dito or dito siya mag-create ng base. So, I want that to fully... We have the whole November to confirm that eh. So far, I'm just gonna observe. Muna. But definitely, pag bumalik yan dito, mabibili talaga ako kasi papuntang December na eh. Tapos 4-3 test na niya sa itong area na to. Or even here. Pag nagkaroon dito. Yan. Kasi binenta ko na yan here. Dito pa lang. Nakita ko na yung kandila. Ayoko na. This one. IN. Ano matitipi natin dito? Ito, anticipation TP na to eh. Yeah, medyo respect the resistance na to. Bawas-bawas na. If you have positions, partially profit will be a better choice. So, partial profit na. If umangat siya, at least kasama ka pa sa trend. Though may gap up siyang pinakita, kaso rejecting na talaga the upper price eh. Alright, tingnan natin ang ibang detalye. Parang gusto ko to itipin muna. Tipin muna to, pandagdag na sa profit. Momentum pa eh, pabalikan ko na lang. CrowdStrike, LNC, LTC, mga iba ko. Ito, hindi pa nakakatlo, so okay pa naman. BCH, Tilray. So far, we're good. We're good pa naman. Laki ng binagsak ngayon ako dahil sa crypto 5%. Amazon. Let's check out Amazon. Kaya natin Amazon nga. Uy, ganda ni Amazon Very good si Amazon ngayon Check nga natin. Fundamentals. Check din natin ang Morningstar. Okay, Sir Julian, check natin for you. Then I'm also interested in Amazon. Wala ba ako niyan sa kabila akong account? I think I have that in my other account as well. Tingnan ko na rin para sure. Tingnan ko na lang para sure ang aking other account. Okay, tingnan natin yung intrinsic value ni Amazon. If you're gonna subscribe at Morningstar Premium, you need to pay at least 2,500 monthly or 1,800 monthly. But if you're gonna subscribe in our Elite Club, you can ask the community to check the fair value of good companies like Amazon. So, libre. Or during live. No, not all the time. No? Tingnan natin dito. Parang gusto ko makita itong isang aking... Tingnan natin ang intrinsic value nito kung still discounted. I think this is still a bit, meron, parang discounted pa to ng konti. Very, very recent rating Kahapon lang nila in-update. Dito, competitors. Okay, check natin dito. Alright, the 20% discount is a very, very good discount at yesterday's price, which is 3,410. Fair value is 4,200. Compared to the competition of Google and even Microsoft, it's doing well. Maybe fundamentally may problem lang to. Let's check the other fundamental aspects. Oh my gulay. Tingnan natin, kaka-earnings report lang ba nito? I think magkakaroon ng earnings report tapos na. Oh, malapit nga pala. Tingnan natin dito. Technically, ito siya. May reversal period, may reversal ako nakikita kasi dito hindi ko siya pwedeng measure. Parang ito. Tingnan natin dito ang PEG ratio. Okay, good naman siya. 1.5 is fairly good. EPS is about to grow by 5 years. Good so far. Despite the PE ratio is too high. Okay, good. So far, it's so good. Compared natin, 1.5. Google. The competition is this one. Yan natin dito. Bumagsak to yung isa kong account. May gulay, yung copy trade. Yan natin dito. Magtatipi din siguro ako dito. Anyway, check natin. 1.5, pareho lang sila. Last, Microsoft. Tingnan natin. Competition ito. Ano bang pinaka-main na competition to? Walmart, Microsoft. MSFT, check natin. Kung sa mga bibilin, ano yung mga pangmalakihang bili sa tatlo. Kung bibili ka sa tatlo ng pangmalakihan. Technically, pasok na siya sa akin. I mean, I'm already okay with buying it technically. Yeah, it's definitely a buy. The price is discounted. Technical is good. Everything is good. Technically is good as well. Long term is good. Buy it. Buy it now. Okay, buy it now. Pwede ko yan bilhin. May earnings report pa na papunta. Tingnan na natin. Lalayin ko na lang to. Lagyan ko to ng 250. Ayaw ko pang 250 siguro. Mga 200 lang. Kasi baka mag-correct yung market. Sabayan tayo. Ingat na lang tayo. Ako maging aggressive. Good tayo dyan. Go to, yeah, yun nga yung earnings report. Kaya nga from 250 to 200 ko na lang kasi earnings report bukas. Baka delikado. Baba is definitely a test buy today. I'm gonna buy Baba. Nandito. Dapat may pera ako dito. Dito, may pera na dapat ako dito. May pera na ba ako? Wow, boss. Takti naman. Saan naman galing yun? Ano ba yung matitipin natin dito? Wala akong pambili ng Baba. Kamot ulo ko dun Aha. Yeah. Wala akong pambili ng Baba, bro. Naku, mamaya na ako bibili. Baba is definitely a test buy for me. Ito yung hinihintay ko. Another buy on 165. Ito yan. Ito na yung confirmation ko na buy. Another buy at 155 for the head and shoulder pattern. So, ngayon na isang bilid, then another bili here. So, definitely, that's our, at least naka-discount na tayo from where we TP here. So, pwede tayo magdagdag ngayon kung meron kayong baba. Baba fundamentally is really good. Really good. Sobrang good. Discounted rate, expected growth. So, definitely ganda ni Baba. Ito, very important to guys ha. Crucial yan, make or break. You're playing with the psychology ng stock. Especially may earnings report. So, make or break yan. Pwedeng gap down, pwedeng gap up. So, hindi siya, kaya ingat pagdating sa ganyan. Okay, let's check at AA, Chidori. Ito, dapat to, ma-check natin kagad kasi AA. This one, balik natin yan mamaya. AA, check natin tong Chidori. Chidori stock. Let's check at AA. Kasi maganda to sumalong. Mas maganda sumalong ngayon eh. May mga bounce period. 1, 2, 3. Naku, nasan yung isa kong indicator? Price action. Pwede to. Wait lang ha. Nasan dito? 42. Parang hindi yata Chidori. Tingnan mo yung ano. Tingnan mo yung long-term momentum. Parang less than. So, hindi siya Chidori. Pa-check na lang ako. Okay. CRL near the resistance here. Breakout is here. Medyo late ka ng isang kandila. Okay lang sa'yo. Pwede naman. Yesterday yung bilis supposedly. After this breakout here. Medyo kung bibili ka ngayon, medyo high risk ka na ng konti. Kasi I'm expecting a resistance on this area and another buy on this area pag bumalik siya. So, pag binutas yan, pwedeng bilhin mo. Pero ngayon, medyo tatama yan dito sigurado. So, for now, hindi siya advisable. Medyo high risk, gitna ka na. So, hindi ko siya inaano dyan. So, pwedeng pa-check RCL. Sure. Jessa. RCL. Wala akong pera sa kabila. Gusto kong bumili ng baba. RCL is good as well on the this perspective natin dito. Definitely, pwede test buy. But kung gusto mo makasigurado, bili mo on a green candle. Okay? Good naman yung pinakita niya, less volume, showing some divergence, showing on the stochastics indicator. Price action is and retesting the support. Pwede siya test buy. But if you want to make sure, green candle opening tomorrow. Ayan, nasa demand zone. Medyo demand zone na siya. But mako-confirm natin yan bukas. Bukas tuloy. Bukas. Neo. Let's go back to Neo. I have that as well. Definitely Neo. I'm still bullish on this one. Ito lang perspective natin dyan. If Neo will close below this area, out. As long as it's open there and holding there, we're good. Despite a fake breakout there, kung magkaroon to ng bentahan bukas, out. But as long as buhay yung area na yan, hold tayo. Nagdagdag ako niyang kahapon. Saan yung dagdagan? Bumili ako kahapon. Bumili ako initially, nagdagdag ako, itong dalawang to. Kasi nakikita ko nga na nagko-confirm na. So, nilalakihan ko na yung positions. Ayan. Let's check at blue. Sige natin si blue. Punta tayo muna sectoral rotation pala. 9:50. Ang bagal ng oras ngayon, ano? Or masyado lang mabilis magsalita. SPX. Ayan. Tingnan natin tong index. Tingnan natin. Okay, tingnan mo muna. Ito yung point ko kanina kay ano. Ito yung point ko kanina kay XRP. Okay? Sabi nila, fundamentals, XRP, hold it because it's utilities. Okay? Yeah, that's a good thing. No? Trend, technically, good. XRP, ganda. Pero mamimili ka between XRP Ethereum on the current trend momentum. Look at this. Para mong sinabing si technology tsaka utilities, mas maganda. Ito yung mga pinagkaiba nila, guys. Okay, sabihin natin, si utilities mo ito, pero tingnan mo yung 10-year growth. O, yan. Sabihin natin, ito yung mga growth companies, which is technology. Ito yung utilities mo, tingnan mo yung growth, sideways lang. Kasi di mo basta pwede yung angatin kasi utilities ka eh. So, nakuha mo yung point ko. So, yun yung point ko doon. Alright. Kaya doon tayo sa may possible na may mga volatility. Okay, check natin dito. Alright, so let's check on the current market condition on the sectoral analysis. Na-miss out natin to. Starting June onwards. So, trying to break out ang ating technology, which is good. Okay, nag-breakout siya. Lukas Followed by consumer discretionary, led by the restaurants. Restaurant is one. XLV. Alright, so ingat na tayo konti sa ano guys. Energy stocks. Ingat na tayo dyan. Communication, reversal, industrial. Ingat tayo. Technology is our technology, healthcare, and consumer ang titingnan natin. Especially kung magkaroon ng sell-off bukas. Kaya titingnan natin. Okay, there. Tingnan natin dito si Cisco. Pinabili natin to Cisco eh. Pinabili natin to, may Kage, may Rasi na oh. May Byakugan pa to. Lakas to. May Rasi pa nga oh. Bili talaga to. Ito, bili talaga to guys. May price action breakout pa. Ito guys, bili. May binibigyan na kayo ng mga libreng stock na pwede nyong iangat. Ayan, definitely, no? Kung dito natin titingnan yung price action nito, breakout, then up, and breakout. So, tapos may mga crossover pa. So, ganda. So, ito pwede, may base pa in-establish. Kompleto siya. Kompleto Ricardo. Oh, wala pera ba ako? Pwede naman. Pwede yung Cisco. Pwede yan. Cisco Byakugan, first gate. Hindi yan pwede natin sabihin first gate. Kasi wala naman sa all-time height. Blue. Pwede akong bumili ng Cisco later. Wait lang. Blue, also a buy for me. Okay, ganda ng price action is telling us to do so. So, still buy for me. Hanggang nag-hold tong area na to, buy to. Price action, angat-angat. So, buy yan. Bibili tayo ng Cisco. Yung CrowdStrike is momentum to si CrowdStrike eh. Si CrowdStrike for me, kung hindi ka bumili dito, wag ka munang bumili ngayon. Kasi dito yung cut loss ko, buhay pa naman yung momentum niya. So definitely okay pa naman. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 7. Okay pa naman so far. EPAR, let's go to EPAR. EPAR, first gate. First gate nga si EPAR. Bibiling ko nga to. EPAR. May earnings report ba to? 2.4B. Pwede, no? Tingnan natin, guys. 15 minutes. I-liquid lang, So, liquid lang to. Ingat lang tayo konti. Pero price action-wise, okay naman eh. I-liquid lang. Pero pwede naman. Kung tingnan natin ang cut loss level nito. 6%? Pwede naman. Kung titipi ka rito ng mga 4% sa area na to, 6% risk. Pwede naman. Pwede siya i-first gate. 6%. Alat ka lang ng mga 6% na risk dito. For the first gate. Since nag-breakout naman siya on the first hour. Pwede naman. Ayun, may breakout na nangyari, Pwede natin itong yun. 6% alat ka. Sige, sabayan kita. Hindi ako bumili na ako Amazon. Tama ba yung ko? Wala sa eToro no? EPAR. Walang Walang ang tama mo dyan, sir? Walang ano, wala to sa eToro. So, hindi natin mabibili. Sabihin mo sa akin anong ticker niyan. ACB, ACB, if may dadagdag ka, ngayon ka magdagdag. Nagsa-sideways siya dito, plus my entry today. So, ACB, I'm still good. I'm gonna hold this until January. Medyo malaki yung position ko dito. Ayan, $852. Pinakamalaki ko is Ethereum, Bitcoin, this one. Mga yan. All those stuff. Yan ang pinakamalaki ko. Tingnan natin. Hindi ko, wala yata to eh. Wala siya. Hindi ko siya kasama. So, ano bang ticker nun? Wala, IPAR eh. Yung Cisco okay din. Tingnan natin yung ano, communication. 100. Almost breakout eh. Oh. Parang okay naman yung communication eh. Dadalawang isip ako sa Cisco mo ah. Sige na lang. Try natin ng mga 120 lang. Ganda ng technicals eh. Yan, konti lang, konti. Yan, ACB, first gate crowd. Blue is a buy. Blue, bili pa rin yan, nasa ilalim, good naman. Technical perspective, CRL. Baba is also a buy today. Grabe no, alam mo, nagpaano talaga, INTC, let's check out INTC. Na-miss out ko to. INTC, bumili na ako ulit. Nag-cut loss ako INTC dito. Bumili ako ulit. Cut loss ako dito. Medyo nakakakita na ako ng possible bounce trade within this area. No, meron na oh. May nakikita na tayong pending support zone. So, pero bounce trade lang ang gusto ko. Pero compared to INTC, I'd rather go to Snap. Sa technical perspective niya, no? Mas nagpapakita siya ng technical perspective na okay siyang i-trade. Oh, wala pa lang IPAR sa eToro. So, hindi natin matatrade yan. Sayang, no? Okay. Baka ilagay ko na lang kay Neo yung pera ko. Conservative. Ito, oh, sabi, alam mo, get to guys, oh. Dito pa lang, pinabili ko na to sa inyo, eh. Ang problema nyo, ako wala akong pera nun, eh. Late na tuloy ako. Ayun, oh. Ito, dito pa lang, naalala ko to. Sabi ko, bilhin niya kayo dito, oh. Kasi kaka-breakout lang yan sa all-time low. Week of theory, oh. Snap, ang tawag dyan? Tawag to sa era na to. Anong tawag mo? Ano ang tawag natin dito, masterclass graduates? Anong tawag nga natin dito sa era na to? Ang tawag natin dito? Ang tawag dito? Ano nga ang term natin sa ganitong area? After this one, dito, ang tawag natin? Spring. Ayun. Oh, thank you, Master. Thank you, fresh batch. Oh, so yan. So, dito pa lang buy signal na to, tsaka dito pa lang buy signal na yan. Ito, buy signal na to. Wala lang akong pera nung time na yun eh. Kaya, pero nasa watchlist ko siya, oh. Hindi ko siya naibili. Oxy din. Oxy, bantayan nyo to, ha. Ito rin, oh. Naku, nakikita nyo yan, retest. Parang gusto kong bumili ng Oxy, ah. May gap ba to? Parang gusto kong bilhin yung Oxy. Kaya tingin tayo dito. 80, yeah. ABNB. Tsaka yung pen. Tingnan ko rin yung pen. Pen, Disara pen. Okay, magbe-breakdown si pen. Pangit. Parang yung Oxy. Yung ganda ng Oxy. Tingnan nyo. Ganda, oh. Ayan ang mga gusto kong trend. So, di ba? Ganda, no? Parang sarap bilhin, eh, no? Bili tayo. Bili tayo. Try natin to. 10% dito. Halata ko mga 8% dito. 8%. 16%. So, pwede siguro to. Maliit lang, eh. Maliit na lang pera ko na iiwan. Times 5. 16%. 16%. 95. Ayan. Okay na yan. Foxa. Oxa, anong tong company na to? No, hindi muna maganda. If it's gonna close above this area here, pwede mong bilhin. If close siya ha, pwede ka mag-test buy. Pero kung hindi siya nakakita, ang laki ng volume past 2 days. So, kung hindi siya mag-close below there, wag mong bilhin. Wag mo muna siyang i-trade. Tingnan muna natin. Pero if mag-close siya above there, like ngayon, mag-close siya, pwede yan. Magkaroon ng bahid ng konting green. Pwede siyang tingnan. Coin. Let's go to coin. Coin global. Coinbase global. Coinbase global. Momentum trading. If kaya mo mag-momentum, pwede. If not, wag. Okay, kasi momentum yung tawag na play dito eh. So, pero kung gusto mo, dito mo abangan. Pag pumunta dyan, set order ka, 312. Pwede siya i-test by dyan. Supply, demand zone tayo dito. Momentum-wise, possible to breakout. Yan. Possible breakout for this one. So, hindi ko siya masyadong titingnan. But basically, ang mga masarap bilhin ngayon, Oxy, Neo if mag-hold dito. Cisco is a good buy. Breakout na breakout. Ganda, no? Yan yung mga magandang bilhin. Retest. Malaki yung resistance dito eh. So, pending siya. Baka possible retest resistance. So, hindi muna. I'll consider this a sideways. Kita mo yung sideways market niya. So, hindi ko siya consider na trending. So, I'd rather test it by here or EMA 20. Bumagsak yung account ko, nasa 11 plus na ako Wala naman ako na-cut loss. Weird ito, mga konti. Yung Dogecoin tsaka INTC. Dito. Sige lang. 64%. Okay. IRTC. Uy, naalala ko yan. Paborito ko yan i-trade. Yung IRTC. Nakalimutan na natin. Hindi ko na binalikan. Nakuha ko yan dito. Dito namin nakuha sa live. Hanggang dito na ITP. 29%. Wala. Hindi muna siya. Wala muna siya. Maybe we can rebuy here if it's gonna touch base here again. Malaking maganda yung binigay sa atin ito IRTC Yung low volatility na to, sarap bilhin dito na area. So far ngayon, wala muna. Medyo pababa yung momentum. So, hindi natin siya ma-consider na good. Tingnan. NKD. 10:07 in the evening. Please share this live on your friends. Check natin dito. Naked. Naked can be a test buy, but not too much. No, not too much. Test buy naman siya. Good naman nasa demand, nasa support level. Good support level naman to. Test buy can be a consideration. Pag sinabi mo test buy, guys, kung ang usually allocation mo is $150, $75, $50, gano'n. Pag nagkaroon ng green candle kinabukasan, saka mo ilagay yung full potential, yung full buy mo. Pag ganun yung test buy. So, example ako, kung napapansin nyo, ang mga entries ko, multiple. So, example, ano ba? Example, mga high market cap. So, okay na ako mag-start 200. Okay na ako dyan mag-start. Mga low market cap, titingnan ko yan. Example lang dito. Ayan, yung CrowdStrike. Yan. Nakadalawang entry ako. So, isang test buy, isang add. Pag nakikita kong okay siya. So far, good pa naman. So, ready nga lang ako. Yung gala pinagkaiba nun. Tingnan natin. Dogecoin, pwede ba mag-add? Tingnan natin si Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Dogecoin, hindi ko gusto yung trend niya. Medyo umilalim sa... Ito kasi, supposedly, ito yung magandang ito yung magandang confirmation niya. Kaso after a few days, ibinabagsak. Ito yung maganda eh. Oh. Ayan, oh. Hindi nga na nagkaroon ng follow-up. Thus, nandito tayo ngayon. So, I wanted to go back there before natin siya magdagdag so far. Benta kayo na hindi ko gusto. Look at the volume. Look at the volume of sellers here. Hindi kanya-kanyang magbenta, magdagdag. Twitter from Paul. Natin sa Twitter. Balikan natin si Amazon. Naku, grabe yung ano nito, no? Gap up, gap down, gap up, gap down. Sideways, eh, no? Twitter, expensive kasi masyado si Twitter, eh. I think dito abang na to kay Twitter. I'm definitely positive na dito na yung abang nito kay Twitter. Around this area na. We may see a bounce initially, pero basically, most likely, baka magganyan na ganyan sa Twitter. Tapos dito ulit mag-rally. Sorry, parang ganito yung mag-iitsura niyan eh. Oh. Ayan. Yan magiging itsura Twitter. Hold ko na yan ha, para balikan natin. ZW. Saan lang tayo? Asan? Asan Inc. Asan Inc. Bounce trade lang eh. Bounce trade lang yung nakikita ko sa kanya. Maybe if we can see another breakout, pwede natin i-test. Pero buying this support, hindi ako masyadong baka bounce trade lang to tapos i-resistance dito at bumagsak. Maybe a breakout will be a good choice kung ito. Baka hindi siya, honestly, baka hanggang dito nga lang yan, eh, no? Tapos bumagsak na. Balikan natin yung Mark. Yun, binagsak, oh. Grabe to si Mark, oh. Yung price action, di sinodo. Shinort mo sana yan, oh. Kinulose the gap, eh, oh. Close the gap siya, eh, oh. Parang masarap to i-bounce trade, ano? Kaya natin pinapakita na Chidori dito. Possible bounce trade to eh. Kita mo no? 60. Teka, ayusin ko tong bounce trade natin okay. Kaya pala kulang ako kanina. Kasi wala akong Tingnan natin yung AA ulit. Kulang yung ko kanina. Yung indicator. Akala ko kumpleto na ako. Kaya lang checklist muna natin to. Checklist natin to ng green. Ayan, balik natin to. Ayan. Ito oh. Parang masarap i-trade. Yung AA pala, talagang Chidori pala yun. Tama. Hindi pa siya Chidori. Yung yung itong momentum dito, hindi pa siya confirm. So, hindi siya Chidori. Hindi talaga pala siya Chidori. Pero si Mark, possible to mag-bounce trade, guys, Nakakita ko ng opportunity to bounce. Nag-close the gap, eh. Baka magkaroon ng to, 236 dito na area. Hindi natin makita yung no? Hindi natin makita yung recent bounce niya. Baka 786 nga to eh. Kung i-fibo natin dito. Lapit na oh. Ayun, may comment. Nakikita nyo may possible bounce sa wave 1. Hindi. Tinagos. Tinagos sa EMA 10. Parang masarap tong volatility na ganito, no? Sige, tingnan na natin. Darling. Sige natin si Darling. Ingredients. Ito yung sinasabi mong retest. Pwede. Agricultural. Pwede pa naman. Hanggang December naman to. December pa naman tong sector na to eh. Pwede pa naman to. Here. Pwede test buy. Momentum. Pwede to i-test buy. Cut loss will be Cut loss might be mga 3%. Yan. O, 3 to 4% cut loss. Pwede. Kaka-breakout retest. Pwede to. Balik ko nga si MOS. Ito rin, no? Retest of the trend, no? 268. Buti, tinipi ko na ito. Ito pa yan, NTR. Mga retest sa trend, no? Baka maubos maano na, no? Maubos. Okay, tingnan natin dyan. Dot. Retest. Magkaroon ng green candle to bukas, pwede. Retest. Ang pangit na itsura naman ito. Tingnan natin dito sa iba. Polka dot. Russian Shuriken. Pwedeng Russian Shuriken to. Tapos may price action. Abangan mo dito. Kung magkaroon ng green candle dito, pwede. May Russian Shuriken retest. Tingnan natin kung mag-close dyan sa Russian Shuriken niya. IBM. Mga ano, no? Mga tech sector company, no? Tingnan natin IBM dito. 49. Almost Chidori, no? Almost Chidori. Pero talagang ano sila? Hindi sila... honestly, ang Chidori, tingnan mo si Snap, ang Chidori pa. Nasa Chidori status si Snap compare sa dalawa. So, hindi siya masyado. Medyo tingnan natin yung base kung mag-create the IBM dito. Ang nakakatakot kasi dito is magganyan-ganyan siya. Tapos itong EMA5, biglang i-resist, bumagsak pa more. Ang malakas kasi na support na nakikita ko dito is this one. Demand zone is this one. Possible ito. So, malayo-layo pa eh. Ito kasi dito, supply. Hindi medyo para kasi gusto niyang butasin sa the way I see it. Nagso-support siya pero hindi siya walang nagre-react. Especially kung walang mag-react hanggang Friday ito, magkaroon ng buy signal. Baka mangyari yung sinasabi ko. Mala price action lang na angat, ganyan, tapos bilang ito, mga progressive. Bang! Dito yung magkaroon ng buy area. Will ADA go up? We don't know if ADA will go up. But price action, I don't like the price action. Mas gusto ko si Ethereum and BNB. If you want crypto, if you want to listen to crypto, watch me every 9 o'clock at the start of this live. Para crypto lahat. EOS, USD, ito, para crypto din to, no? Test buy may be a good here, pero baka dead cat bounce lang yung nakikita ko. Pangit din yung trend. So may mga possible naka-set order lang kasi dito eh. May mga naka-set order lang dito sa demand zone here. Ang problem nito, baka magkaroon ng follow-up. Tapos, ito lang. Ganyan lang maging action niya. Pakita ko sa 4-hour chart. So, ayan, ito. Para mangyari dito sila nagsaluhan, no? May mga nag-set order dyan. Baka ganyan lang yan. Boom. So, kung tradable siya, tingnan mo itong area na to. So, medyo delikado yon sa ganyang itsurang nagmamadali lumabas yung mga tao. So, sa itsura niya. Alright, so it's 10:18. Tingnan natin. Let's have a review initially. Medyo conservative buy lang ako. Ang binili ko lang is the Amazon. Bumili ako Amazon. Tsaka ano pa isa kong binili? Cisco. Yan lang binili ko. LNC okay pa naman. ADSK. Tinipi ko lang is ano ko eh. Ang itinipi ko parang si CYBR gusto ko tayo cut loss. Parang it's not acting to plan na eh, no? Hindi pa tinatamaan yung cut loss ko din. Pero 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11 candle na eh. Low volume. May support pa dito. Wala na rin. Breakdown na siya. Last support. Parang tanggalin muna natin to. Ayoko na nito. Hindi na siya, it's not acting to my initial. Gusto ko ilagay kay Oxy. Lagyan natin kay Oxy yung pera. 25. Yan. OCGN. OCGN, talagang pump and dump yung ano niya, DNA, no? Kung ganito itsura nito, wag natin siyang habulin. Abangan din ulit natin siya dito. 'Di ba? Abangan ulit natin siya dito, around this area here. Saka natin siya bili, test buy. Biotech talagang galaw, sideways lang eh. So, hindi natin pwede natin momentum if may katulad dito, fake breakout. May fake breakout siya dyan. Binalik lang. So, dapat may cut loss ka talaga dito. So, hindi talaga siya. Parang pump and dump yung galaw. Talaga eh, no? So, talagang dapat mga ganyan sa ilalim ka lang bibili. Like, may massive selling, sabayan mo, pababa. So, hindi for me, hindi siya talagang, ano mo yun? Okay. Check natin. Tingnan natin ang iba on the screen. Alright, let's let's have a quick break. It's 10:21 in the evening. Let's check at the performance of our robots. Hindi ko siya tiningnan today. Alright, so our Izanagi is up by 227% so far. The profit is already up by this area here. This is the percentage. If you want to create Izanagi, then this is your opportunity. You go to wiseinvestorsph.com and create an Izanagi. I'm gonna check my Valkyrie. Valkyrie is up by 11%. So far, mode 1 is ano natin to, medyo conservative. So, good thing, 1 to 2% per month, which is good. Our target din naman. Ito yung high risk ko na Valkyrie. I think it's already up by 4%. After a succeeding drawdowns, cut loss, starting to recover again and go back to where it is right now. So, yung mga cut loss, angat, the way the trading works. So, kung sana magtuloy-tuloy, umangat to kasi naka-backtesting naman siya. Tingnan natin, ang aking lowest risk is this one. Up by 3% still. Itong mode 1 ko dito, risk ko dito is 2% and mode 1 is 2% here. All up. Ang maganda sa mga robot natin, majority of it is still up. No? This one. Itong isa ko na Izanagi, which is up $250. Starting with we started this $250 at the deposit. Then, nilagay lang natin ng buffer. Ayun, it's already up by this one. Ito yung monthly na to. Monthly. So, good thing. May flat lang tayo dito. At least kahit paano, it's already up by 8% this month. So, ito yung performance na to. So, 250, good na to. Close na lahat ng Izanagi. Wow, lakas naman. Seryoso. Di ko napapansin eh. Si Jay yung oo nga, no? Galing naman ni Izanagi. Nang boring, no? Ang boring ni Izanagi pag walang drawdown. Pero consistent lang, no? Yung gains. Galing. Tingnan natin Izanagi ko dito. Oo nga, no? Close na lahat. Di ba 10 yung trades nun kanina? Mga 10 yung mga open positions ni Izanagi kanina. Naubos, no? Meron na siya bago. Sa akin, may bago ako. May bago akong 4 pairs. Kasi ito, naka-standalone to eh. Pero sa inyo, close na. No? Ako meron pang naiwan. Baka hindi. Close na ba yung odd card sa kabila? Tingnan natin. Oo nga, no? Wala na ako. Baka hindi pa nag-close dito sa kabila. O, nag-close na nga kayo. Ba't ako hindi pa? Oh, may something wrong sa aking account. Sa mas malaking account. Ayan, sige, check ko later. Galing, no? But nag-close nga. So, the good thing about Izanagi is you can actually, talagang very, very active. Very, very active talaga. May mga gains ka dito. Tingnan mo dito mga Usually, magkano ba pera ko? $4,000 na nilagay ko dito. Nagtitipi siya 500 pesos to 1,000 pesos a day. So, kung titingnan mo dito, 500 to 1,000 pesos a day ha, a day. So, yun yung kagandahan nito. And then, accumulate mo siya 1 month. Ito yung kinikita ko sa kanya monthly. Automated ha, like sobrang busy ko sa work. Parang yung sweldo ko, pinapasweldo din na doble ng Izanagi. Pero syempre, yung pera ko at risk. Yun yung point doon. Wala naman kasing sure na gains eh. At risk yung pera mo. Pero manageable. Yun yung maganda kay Izanagi. Manageable. Yeah, congratulations. That's why we're gonna have a raffle tonight. That's our goal. Because yung mga nang may Izanagi, anyway, kung may mga gusto dyan magano ng Izanagi, it's your opportunity, no, na mag-create ng Izanagi. So, tingnan natin ang mga raffle natin tonight. Ready ko na yung Wheel of Names dito. Yung mga kumita dyan, congratulations. So, we're gonna have a draw lots. Kung wala yung name nyo dito, paki ano tayo dyan. Yan. Dito tayo. Ito yung mga tingnan natin dito. Kunin ko lang yung mga names ng mga participants natin tonight. We're gonna give away 2,500 pesos tonight. Courtesy of one person who profit 400,000 last month. Binigyan tayo ng 10,000 pesos si Paraffle whole October. Anong ginamit nyo doon? Izanagi. So, thank you so much, Sir R. Oh, his name started with letter R. Yung mga letter R daw, generous yan. So, salamat. Salamat for sponsoring our tonight. Thank you for sponsoring the 2,500 pesos the whole month every week. So, congratulations with that. So, at least, yung raffle natin tuloy-tuloy. Every week. So, bunutin natin yan. And then, and here are my lists na nag-comment ng mga, oops, sorry. Kita nyo yung chat box. Okay. Yan. Okay. Yan. Okay. There you go. Alright. There you go here. Okay. So, ito yung mga nabulit natin tonight. So, paano natin to na sabi na they're the ones who need to be we're gonna be part of the raffle tonight. So, 51 participants here tonight. 5 of them will win 500 pesos. Maybe next week, magiging 1,000 pesos per week na to. Gusto nyo ba yun? 1,000 pesos per person? Grabe, no? Doble. So, mamimigay tayo ng gano'n na pala. So, makikita natin dito, guys. If we're gonna go back to my page, what you can see there is these people who earns every week with our robot. So, if you want also to join this cool game and also post your game challenge, here are the people you need to ask. How's their experience? So, tingnan mo dito. Ito yung mga, ako last week, ito yung sa akin. I earned 147 in one of my accounts. So, weekly, yung binibigay ni Izanagi. Thank you so much, Izanagi, for doing that. Ito yung mga, PM nyo itong mga taong to. Ano yung, kamusta yung performance nila. Ayan, dami nila, no? So, ito yung mga yan. Lalagay natin dito. At ipaparaffle natin dyan. Yeah, I got your list sa pinaka-updated. Yon. Spin the wheel. Okay, check nyo na muna dito, guys. Kung hindi kayo kasali dito, may violent reaction na. Violent reaction nyo na. Ayan yung mga lettering. Tingnan dito. Yan. Okay. Alright, tingnan dito. So, bakit may mga doble-doble dyan? Because, kung anong meron sila, example, may trend follower sila, may Izanagi sila, dalawa, pwede lang i-comment yun, pwede silang manalo ng 2 beses. Yun ang maganda doon. 1 gain, 1 comment, 1 October, 1 raffle ticket. Okay, tingnan natin dito. Alright, let's get to it. Tingnan natin sino ang first. No, this is not exclusive to Elite Club. This is the robot users natin. So, yung mga gumagamit, ginawa natin dito, is yung mga users natin ng robot. Kasi ganito, ang context ito, last month, ang daming sa aming kumita. Merong isa doon na kumita ng almost 500,000 in just 2 weeks. So since meron kaming culture na may culture kami na generosity, nagpadala siya all the way from another country, 10,000 pesos. Every week, mamigay daw ako ng 2,500 for 5 people. So, isa yon. So, yung mga tao natin dito na namimigay. So, very, 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 very grateful na may ganong tao sa community natin and willing to share his profit to other users. So, yun. So, may kita mo dito yung mga, nakita mo dyan, yung mga kumita dun sa post. Yan yung nandito sa names. Yan. So, if you're part of the robot users, then meron dyan. Hindi mo pinost yung gains mo. Dapat na pinopost mo yung gains mo. Oh, yan. O, sige, habulin mo. Dapat ma-post mo dito yung Izanagi mo. Dito, sir. Yan. Dito. Saan yun? Dapat may post mo dito. Oh, yan. Ito. O, yan. So, ayan. Capital Impact, Allied to. Ito yan. Ito yung mga taong to. So, post mo dito. Bigyan kita ng link. Para maihabol ka. Yan. Dapat may post mo dito. So, ito sila. Ito sila lahat. O, yan. Para mahabol mo dyan. Go. Sige, I'm gonna give you 2 minutes. O, isasabay kita. O, post mo muna para makita natin. Alright. So, let's check muna dito. Grabe, laki ng binigsak ng market, no? Aha. Expected yung CrowdStrike, no? Buti dito, bumangit na. Dito, Dogecoin, Blue, Cisco, okay naman, eh. Sige, chill lang tayo dyan. Alright. Sige, habol nyo. Tingnan natin kung may mga magko-comment. Tingnan natin dito, may mga magko-comment dito. Yan. Habol nyo, guys. Alright, so for those why we're waiting for mga gustong humabol, pwede nyo can check our website here, wiseinvestorsph.com. What you can actually look for an investment and we can help you with that is our Forex robot. So it's tatlo yan, Valkyrie, Izanagi, and Trend Follower. So if you're gonna click this one, what you can see here is your description ng mga robot. Ano yun siya? Ano yung pros and cons? Ito yung here's the video presentation. Here's how you can make an account. So while we're waiting for those people. Another one is if wala ka pang account sa US market and then nanonood ka nito first time mo dito, pwede kang gumawa ng dalawang klaseng account. So meron tayong GoTrade where you can invite your friends. Hindi ko alam kung magkano referral yata dito ni GoTrade. Basta something like, kailangan may bibigyan ka ni GoTrade ng token pag meron ka. Invite mo yung friends mo. As low as 50 pesos, they can buy good companies like Apple, Starbucks, and they can start to invest in the US market and participate with that. Or copy trade with eToro. So, ayan, you can check this out. This is what, kasi ito si eToro, $200. Ito, you can start as, magkano ba initial deposit ni GoTrade? I think is 500 pesos yata. So, may libre pa siyang $4. Something like that, I'm not sure. Wala nga lang tong pang buy and hold lang talaga siya. So, pwede kang mag-invest at $1. So, download this one. Use my token then use your also para mas dumami mag-invest at manood sa atin every night. And also, while others are still commenting their one, I would like to invite everyone to be part of the Elite Club. If you want to learn in the global market, trade calls, sector rotation, meetups like sa mga Discord or Zoom, yan, once a month. Monthly forecasts, andito yan, yung mga binabasa natin yung global forecast natin dito. You can subscribe to the Elite Club. No, walang tapon, promise, walang tapon. I really encourage everyone to really start and check. Para aside from you investing on blindly, at least dito matutulungan ka. So, marami na ako an example kanina dyan. And if you want to learn how I process my trades, how I process the US market in general. 2 weeks from now, we're gonna start again another batch. We call it the link batch. So what you can, every Saturday, we have the live classes that started with the basic and the 8 sessions or 2 months of grinding on knowing the technical perspective and the fundamental perspective on the stock market trading. So you can actually check my course. 2 weeks from now, we're gonna start and limited slots only with early bird rates. So you can check this one on my website or PM me. Please join and invest. Especially kumita ka na ng Izanagi, imbes na i-roll mo yan, i-improve mo sarili mo. Para sa Forex market, mas gumaling ka pa. Tapos kumita ka na nung ano dyan, lalaki yung pera mo. Pag bumagsak yung market, baka kabahan ka. So at least if you're part of the masterclass, alam mo kasi kailan ka bibili ulit. Alam mo kailan ka how you're gonna how you're gonna buy again. Masa strategize mo siya. Hindi lang buy and buy and buy. Mahirap yung buy and buy tapos di mo alam, no? Yan. Especially pag malaki na yan. So I don't see any comments. Kung walang comments dyan, wala akong makikita dyan. Di lumalabas yung name mo, boss. Check natin ulit. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung nandyan na. Most relevant. Wala akong nakikitang comment na bago. So, wala ka dito. Ibig sabihin, wala ka talaga. Ito. Ayun, meron na siya. Dalawa. Ayun. Okay, dalawa. So, Ran and Miratoni. There you go. So, si Sir Ran. Today lang to. Today nga lang. Last week yung inihingi ko. last week. Ito, last week. Ito, open trades mo to eh. Profit. Yung profit sa baba. Open trades mo to eh. Pero anyway, sige na lang. Okay. Sa 14 days, it's 17%. That's good. Open trades yung pinakita mo eh. Yung profit hinihingi natin. Ayan. October 18 DD. Okay, saan to? Ano to? Abot pa ba? Izanagi. Beans Goto. So may mga ano ba to? Nasabi ba sila? Nasabi ba to? Sige, anyway, if you're not part of the Wheels of Names, please type on the chat box na lang. Tingnan natin dito. Sige, sama na natin. Profit, hindi, open trades. Mark, Sir, Miratoni. Sige, pero sama ko na lang. Ayan, okay. Alright, there you go. Let's start na natin to. Okay, diretso na kayo. First winner na ako, ha? Ayan. Let's go. Alright. Grabe naman to si Sir Francis. Nanalo na naman. Ayan. Alright, one more. There you go. Ayan. Alexander Allen. MD Wong pala. MD Wong, our second winner. Next week, gagawin ko 1,000 yan per week. Okay. Promise, next week. Birthday ko eh. Okay. Yung first week ng November, gagawin ko yan every week, 1,000 pesos for 5 people. Kaya ko ba? Parang di yata kaya. Parang whole month, 20,000 yun ah. Ay, di, 4,000. Di, 10,000. Pwede, kaya. Pwede. Sige. Pwede natin gawin yan. 1,000 pesos per person. Tingnan natin. Next week. Yan. Next winner natin. Dun Del Rosario. Another shuffle. Another one. 5 for 500 pesos. AC Jones. And last winner natin again, if you want to check our robot or anything that you can check on Wise Investors PH, you can check our post here. Dito, lagyan natin sa chat box para makita nyo yan, guys, no? And before we, of course, yan, dyan. And these yung mga ano natin dyan. So tingnan nyo na dyan on the chat box, guys. Lalo na yung, like talagang hindi mo pwedeng maalis sa sarili mo, like knowledge. Yan ang pinaka-importante. Yan. Last winner natin for tonight. Last winner natin. Dagdagan natin, gawin nating 6. Okay, gawin nating 6. Uy. Oops! Ninaktawan yung pangalan mo, coach. Grabe ka talaga, Brent. Brent, ikaw na naman. Okay. Ikaw na naman, Francis. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, dagdagan natin 6, admin. Okay, gawin natin 6. Isa pa, pinaka-last. Instead na 5, gawin natin 6 na 500 pesos. Ayan. Okay. Tingnan natin. Alright. There you go. Our 6 winner, bonus winner. Okay. Leonilo Texon. Ayan. Alright. Here are our winners on the screen. Yan, so namely these people here. Francis De La Cruz, lagi na nanalo. Sir MD Wong, Coach Casey, June De Rosario, Brent, and Sir Leonid Texon. So for tonight, instead of 5, binigyan natin ng 1. Yan, definitely. Napaganda nga na natin tonight. Heart of generosity natin. Thank you so much for our sponsor who gave 10,000 pesos to sponsor every week's raffle. May bigay tayo. So, pag may kumita kayo malaki, please, mag-sponsor din kayo ng raffle. Okay? One person also in the group really put like 5 million pesos in Izanagi. 2.4 million. Nilagay niya kay Izanagi. Naglagay siya. Grabe, no? 2.4 million. So, Izanagi winners tayo dito. No joke yun, ha? Talaga naglagay siya ng ganung kalaki. Sabi ko, wow, galing. Anyway, let's have a review for tonight. Yung mga nakita ko recommendation to buy. This one, I want to test the retest here aggressively. This one, I'm still bullish on this one. Ano pa isa? Ano pa yung mga isa dito? CSCQ. This one is also a buy for me. Amazon is also a buy for me. Crypto market, di muna. Okay? Etong Amazon, fundamentally, ang ganda. Ang ganda. PEG ratio. Okay, and FEPS growth. Fair value. Sobrang ganda. 20% discount. It's a very, very huge discount. Ang magkakatalo nito, earnings report. Kung maganda earnings report nito, baka sumipa ito ng todo. Technically, for Amazon, ito yung nakikita ko dito. 2 things lang yan. Kung ito tinitingnan nila dyan, maybe this is a resistance. Kung ito nakikita nila dyan, that's a reversal. So, hindi natin alam kung ano yung china-chart ng mga market movers. But based on my perspective, ito ang makikita ko. So, that's a continuation pattern after the rally. And if we're gonna, of course, we're gonna make this one here. Ang ganda rin ay pinapakita ni Amazon on a horizontal perspective because price action wise, ang galing. Maganda yung pinapakita din niya. And last but not least, if we're gonna zoom it out further, this is where we are. So on the Darvas back perspective, yan. So nasa 50% area na siya. So ang dami ko nakikitang ano dito. Ang dami ko nakikitang buy opportunity here. So yan, tingnan din natin. Where am I gonna cut loss here kung hindi talaga magandang price action or earnings report? If it's gonna close below here. So, yan ang aking risk, which is 4%. Not too much, no? Maliit lang. So, yan lang. Fundamentally in everything, ganda, no? Dapat may ticker na rin ang WIPH. Anong klase ng ticker gusto mo? Like ticker na bibilin. Sa Elite Club, meron. Meron kami ticker. Okay. Naintindihan ko na. Dito, investment. Yan, no? Mahirap. Kailangan natin mag-apply ng SEC. Baka makulong tayo pag ganyan. Pag mga ano tayo ng ano dyan. Facebook, paki-analyze. Facebook is still not a buy opportunity for me after breakout of this area. If bumalik siya dito sa area na to, pwede natin bilhin. Pero fundamentally, it's still good. The next buy, ito kasi initial buy nito for Facebook. Kung bumili ka dito, you can hold it. If ngayon, nagpapakita siya ng ganyang perspective on the, ando pa rin siya sa buy point for me, for Facebook. Ando pa rin siya sa buy area. So kung wherever you are still in the zone of buying ni Facebook, medyo may konting sentiment lang yan na because of the change of name and everything, because of the scandal, another buy will be here. So if you're a buy and hold, yan, ganda. So 8% down is another buy from Facebook. So first buy within the week is you're still good. Fundamentally, maganda pa rin naman siya. Technically, if you're gonna zoom it out, kung gusto mo talaga maging precise sa price, hindi muna siya ngayon. Pero for long term, you're still good on your first buy. Nasa range ka pa. Another buy is here. So, depende kasi. So, meron siyang breakdown na nangyari. Kung magkaroon ng resist yan dito, we can actually expect Facebook to do this and retest on this area support. Possible nga dito pa eh. Ayan. So, within this range. So, for now, long term, buy anywhere. You're still at the range. Technical perspective, wait the confirmation if kailangan umangat ulit siya dito or here. So, good siya naman. Good pa din siya. Okay? On that perspective for Facebook. Tesla, tapos na tayo kay Tesla. Take profit na yan. Tesla is a sell-on news already. Wait for it to retest or fill the gap after nung area. Tapos na tayo dyan. Pinakita ko na yan sa Elite Club kung bakit siya umangat. Kung bakit umangat si Tesla. Ayoko na ulitin. So, review mo na lang dito kung bakit siya umangat. Sinabi ko na yan on the first part kanina. So, TP na yan, TP na yan. Kandila pa lang yesterday, pangit na eh. Ayan, no? Oh, medyo rejection na talaga. So, TP na talaga to. Kung i-breakout yan, another story. Pero for now, for me, TP na to. TP na yan. Binigyan ka ng opportunity to retest. Meron yang may laking chance balik yan dito dito pwede ka mag-set order. So wala muna diyan. All right, so it's 10:47. We're actually done for tonight. We're gonna resume on Friday because tomorrow will be a Thursday tomorrow. So every MWF lang tayo. 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Check our schedules also. Please do join me on my masterclass. Walang tapon. If wala ka natutunan, if yung mga tuturo ko galing lang sa YouTube, I will return your money 100%. But if I'm gonna teach you something that you haven't learned from any videos, mentors, pwede mo idoblehin yung ibabayad mo. Okay. All right. So with that, I'm gonna say good night, everyone. Stay safe and may the market with you. This is John, your host for tonight at Wise Investors PH. Thank you so much for tuning in. Congratulations, robot users. Good luck kasi tomorrow baka take profit mode na yan. So ingat-ingat muna tayo ngayon. Chill-chill lang kahit pa paano, guys. I'm gonna see you. Thank you so much for tonight. God bless. And bye-bye, guys.